I first saw Sandy Hook Yachts at the Seabright location. That's when I first met Anthony. Comes in, introduced himself, and showed me the boat and everything. A few weeks later, we closed the deal. And here I am. Oh, Eric is great. He's explaining all the things that I'm asking. Okay, I think Eric, it's a great guy, and we're supposed to now to take the boat out and see. And for me, I'm excited. It's the first time taking the boat. So I have I'm married. I have a wife and 2 girls. I believe this boat is going to be perfect for us. It's not the biggest boat. Honestly, though, I told my wife, it's like our home. It's small, but has everything. I honestly think we can take this thing to the Great Loop. It's going to run out of space a little bit, but I think it's doable. I think it's going to be perfect. I think it's going to be a lot of fun.